Snyk forced us into a 6-week trial. It was actually only when we were doing the Snyk POC and saw how painful it was to work with them that we met Aikido and realized that just the whole relationship was entirely different. There's no way you could ever ask Snyk for a feature update or give them feedback and have them react. It would probably be 6 months for them to react. It's great to see how fast you guys react. My name's Gavin, and I'm an engineering manager at Omnea. My role at Omnea involves working over the 50 engineers we've got there. We're working on challenging supplier risk and financial problems in AI, working with team leads who are shipping to production daily. When we first came to Aikido, we needed a security tool that could scale with us. We were 14 developers at the time and growing really rapidly, and we needed a security tool that could allow us to stay secure and ship to our enterprise customers, but not become a blocker to our development processes. The other main competitor we evaluated was Snyk. It was just clear from the beginning how much easier it was to work with Aikido, seeing how much that Aikido also offered out of the box that wasn't just pure SaaS, that could kind of enable the rest of our security posture, and how transparent the pricing was as well, made it a clear and easy choice for us. Our developers use Aikido all the time, every single day, but it also isn't a major blocker. 90% of the time, it sits quietly in the background. Most developers, probably half the time, forget it's there. It's when there is a security issue, it'll leave a comment on the PR, it'll pull you in. We've integrated Aikido into GitHub, Linear, and Vanta. Vanta we use as our global tool for all of our SOC 2 certification when auditors come in. It's very easy with Aikido for us to be able to evidence that we're actually fixing our vulnerabilities and fixing our issues inside all of our SLAs, and it just gives them the evidence right out of the box. There's no going back and having to pull on specific issues. One of the metrics that recently that really concerned us is we looked over the past 3 months and we had 7 times more vulnerabilities in our supply chain versus the prior 3 months. And it's so easy for developers to install a vulnerable package or something that's being compromised. So having the ability to block what's being installed is really valuable and just saving time. Aikido in the long term has enabled us to ship to enterprise customers while still maintaining a high security posture. You know, we're shipping to production 70, 80 times a day. We have 1 security engineer for our 50 developers. And they're able to manage the full workload across all our engineers because so much of the heavy lifting is done by Aikido. 80+% of our code nowadays is AI generated. Having another tool that is checking what we're doing and is secure as things shift and move so quickly is really important to us. Aikido has actually really helped us, even with doing like due diligence raises from our investors. It was so easy to prove things like all our license types have a report instantly generated across the board of every license we've got. And that was just something that we honestly didn't even know we had until we were like, so we need this, our investors are asking for this. Before this, we would just have an annual pen test every single year. And it was more just, in many ways, often to check a box rather than anything else. With AI pen testing, we can actually find them as soon as we're releasing them. We can actually fix them before someone finds it as a problem. It's not a case right now of people deploying insecure code to production. Even at the install, they're getting GitHub credentials exposed. You need something on device that can stop it before things are even being installed, not even being deployed. Right now we're using AWS WAF. The main piece we're looking into with Aikido is using the Zen firewall, actually looking at outbound traffic and having rules that learn rather than just static rules. The Aikido team's certainly on top of things faster than anyone else. Like, they are actually preventing the problems themselves, not just creating a product which surfaces vulnerabilities. You're the ones who probably understand how malicious actors are thinking more than anybody else. I think for us, the main impact of Aikido has been the fact that we can stay continuously secure while shipping at lightning fast speed. We needed a tool that could allow us to just ship at pace, but not introduce any flaws.